5 days from now, a massive army called Cindercrest is going to invade my kingdom. But, as the king of unstable SMP, I'm going to do everything in my power to stop them. So, before Cindercrest arrives, I need to recruit and train an army capable of fighting back. There have been many powerful armies in the past. But, I plan on building an army bigger than all of them, with thousands of fully trained and geared players strong enough to defeat Cindercrest. However, this is going to be no easy task, because, as of right now, my army is made up of just me and my 2 friends, Theo and Reyna.
Okay. We'll join your army, King Parrot.
Andrew,
Yes.
welcome to the army.
I'm joining you, King Parrot.
So, I headed to spawn.
Dude, they had like, I swear, thousands of fully stacked Netherite players like marching in line, bro. And they had like some crazy airship thing. Like, if we're gonna fight back, we would need like thousands of players.
No. We're gonna need tens of thousands.
How did you...
What?